Welcome to IGCSE and A-level chemistry classes. In this video, we are going to discuss about past paper 2. Past paper 2. Okay. Here questions related to atoms, molecules and compounds. Atoms, molecules and compound, and this is part 2. Part 2. You can watch this video after watching part 1. Okay, here first we are going to discuss here question number 4. Question number 4, May June 2008, question number 4. Okay, here the question saying the nucleon number and proton number of lithium atoms are shown here. Nucleon number mean mass number, okay, proton number, nucleon number and symbol everything given. Okay, what is the correct symbol of lithium ion? You had to say what is the correct symbol of lithium ion. Okay, here in this book already answers are marked already. Okay, I will explain here already. I will explain the answers. Okay, this is already solved book. Look here. So lithium ion, you can see lithium, it is group 1 in periodic table. Group 1, lithium in group 1. All group 1 elements have +1 charge. Okay, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. You can use your periodic table, keep your periodic table in front of you to solve paper 1. Okay, most of the questions related to especially for this chapter you must use periodic table to solve the questions. Clear? So use your periodic table. So you can see lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These elements are in group 1. All group 1 elements have +1 charge. So here correct answer, you have to write Li37 plus. Okay, no need to change anything in this number. You have to just write, here plus. Okay, so answer C. Look here, another question, question number 5. Same year, question number 5. Here one table is given. You have to say which two particles belongs to same element. Here you have four elements. Out of this, which two elements are same? Out of this, here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 particles are here. Okay, which two are same element? You know, same element, they have same proton number. Okay, same elements always they have same proton number. Same element, so you have to look over here, proton number 19. Okay, same proton number. So answer 2 and 3. Same proton number but different neutron number. Okay, these are isotope. So 2 and 3 are isotope. So you just understand they have same proton number. 2 and 3 they have same number of protons, so they are same element. Okay, so 2 and 3 is the answer C. Okay, next one, question number 6. Question number 6, you have to find what are the nucleon number of carbon and magnesium. Okay, C and Mg. Carbon 6, 12. Okay, so here question asking nucleon number mean mass number. Okay, nucleon number mean mass number. Carbon 12 is mass number. Magnesium 12, 24. 12 and 24. So bigger number, higher number always nucleon number. Higher number always mass number. Okay, so here answer D. Carbon 12 and magnesium 24. Higher number is mass number. Okay. Okay, next one. Now June 2008, question number 7. Here question asking you have to choose which of the following can be used as lubricant. You have graphite and liquid fraction of petroleum and graphite. Which are the substance used as lubricant? We know graphite used as lubricant. Also, liquid fraction from petroleum also used as lubricant. Okay. So, first option is the correct one. Next one, question number 8, June 2008, question number 8. Okay. So, the diagram shows the outer shell electronic arrangement of compounds J that contain the elements Y and Z. Okay. Here, what type of compound is J? Here J is one compound, okay, and this compound contain Y and Z, and these are electron sharing. Okay, so here you have options: alloy, macromolecule, covalent, ionic. We know this type of sharing of electron, it is covalent compound. Okay, so easy question, you can answer simply. So here C is the answer, covalent compound. So if you find this type of sharing of electrons, so of course it is covalent compound. Okay, next one, question number 9, same year, question number 9. The electronic structure of two atoms P and Q are shown. Okay, P and Q react to form ionic compound. Okay, what is the formula of this compound? You have two compound P, you have two atoms P and Q. When P and Q react together, what will be the formula of this compound? This is the question saying. So to understand this type, to answer this type of question, look here, you have P, right? You have P and you have here Q. Okay, so you have to look here, P outer shell, how many electron? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 outer shell, here 6 electron. Okay, outer shell 6. You know atom with the outer shell 5 atoms with the outer shell 5 6 7, they receive electron. Atoms with the outer shell 5 6 7, it receive electron. 5 it receive 3 more electron. 6 receive 2 more electron. 7 receive 1 more electron. To complete its octet, atoms with outer shell, it receive 3, 6 receive 2, 7 receive 1. So here P outer shell 6 electron, it receive 2 electron. Receiving 2 electron mean 2 minus. You know atoms are after receiving electron, it will be 2 minus, 2 negative charge. Okay, and here also you have to understand atoms with outer shell 1 or 2 or 3, 1 2 3, they lose electron. One atom with the outer shell 1 2 or 3 electron, it will lose electron. After losing 1 electron, it get 1 positive charge. After losing 2 electron, it get 2 positive charge. After losing 3 electron, 3 positive charge. So here Q outer shell 1 electron, it lose 1 electron, so it will be 1 positive charge. Now it is very easy to solve the question. Okay, so you have here P and here Q. Okay, you have to write here, Q2. You have here 1, so write here 1, P1 Q2. P1 Q2, P1 Q2, you can write like this, PQ2. Okay, P1 Q2, PQ2. So here you have PQ2 here. So answer is A. Okay. Next question, question number 10, June 2008, question number 10. Okay, here you have to write which formula is correct. Here compound and their formula is given. Which formula is correct? Here first one, ammonium chloride. Ammonium you know NH4 plus, NH4Cl, not NH3Cl, NH4Cl. So it is not correct. Iron 2 sulfide, it is already given iron 2. So you know it will be Fe2 plus, sulfur it is S2 minus, oxygen, sulfur, these are group 6, so it is 2 minus. So the formula will be FeS, not Fe3S. Okay, this formula wrong. Silver nitrate, it is very famous formula, you know, AgNO3. Okay, the formula silver nitrate. Also you can remember like this: Ag it is plus, NO3 it is minus, plus minus, so formula will be AgNO3. Okay, the charge of silver it is plus 1, Ag plus, NO3 minus, so AgNO3. Clear? So the correct formula only copper sulfide. Copper it is Cu2 plus, it is given here copper 2. So the charge of copper 2 plus. Again sulfur I told you here 2 minus, S2 minus. Okay, so Cus, both are 2. So charge will be cancel each other. So it will be Cus. So this is the correct answer, Cus. Okay. Next one we have question number 6. October-November 2008, question number 6. You have here structure of periodic table. Structure of periodic table and 4 different elements are given. Wx, Y and Z. Okay, look here. Use your periodic table. In the beginning I told you, keep a copy of periodic table in front of you. You can see this is lithium. W it is lithium, and here boron, carbon, nitrogen. X will be, this is lithium, and here you can see BCN, nitrogen. Okay, here this is group 2, beryllium, magnesium, it will be magnesium, and here helium, neon, argon, it will be argon. Use your periodic table and mark the element first. Okay, after marking the elements, you have to answer this question: electronic structure, which one correctly matching here element and their electronic structure. First, W, lithium, atomic number 3. It is more than 3, so it is wrong. Lithium it is 2,1. Lithium, atomic number 3, 2,1. It is not answered. Next one, X mean nitrogen. Nitrogen, atomic number 7, 2,5. It is not answered. Okay. Third one, Y, it is magnesium. Magnesium, atomic number 12, 282. So this is the correct answer. Magnesium, Y. Okay. So you have to answer question like this. Look here, next one, question number 8. You have 4 different elements in this table. Which particle is an ion? Okay, you have to find ion. Ion mean positively charged ion or negatively charged ion. How can you find ion? Okay, one element with equal number of protons and electrons, it will be normal atom without any charge. It is not ion. Atom with same number of electron and proton. If an atom with more number of electrons or more number of protons, then it will be ion. Clear? Now see here, you have the first option, number of, here you have number of. Okay, next one, question number 9. November 2008, question number 9. Okay, this question saying the diagram shows hydrogen fluoride. This is the structure of hydrogen fluoride. Okay, the question asking, in this molecule hydrogen fluoride HF, what happened to hydrogen fluoride over here? Hydrogen fluoride share a pair of electron. Okay, hydrogen fluoride share a hydrogen and fluorine share a pair of protons. Okay, and hydrogen gives fluorine electron, hydrogen gives fluorine a proton. So we know this type of structure, it is covalent compound. Simply you can understand it is a covalent compound formed by sharing of electrons, not protons. Okay, so of course this is the answer. Okay, hydrogen and fluorine share a pair of electrons, not protons. Okay, also it is covalent compound, so hydrogen not giving electron to fluorine. Okay, transfer of electrons takes place only. Okay, next one you have question number 10. November 2008, question number 10. Here metal nitrate, lead nitrate on strong heating, lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Okay, here it is given x, y and z. We have to find the value of x, y, z. Means we have to balance this equation. Okay, it is metal nitrate, lead nitrate. Okay, so look here, to answer this question you have to understand metal nitrate, MnO3 twice, on strong heating, metal oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. These are the product. Okay, metal nitrate on strong heating, metal oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen plus O2, plus oxygen. Okay, so here M represent metal. Okay, M represent metal such as calcium, barium, lead, copper. Okay, so all this case, all of them you have to balance same way, same method. Okay, you just remember 2, 2, 4. 2, 2, 4. Here metal nitrate on strong heating, metal oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Here M represent metals such as lead, copper, barium, calcium. Generally group 2 metals, you know, beryllium, magnesium, calcium. Okay, this type of group 2 metal nitrate decompose like this. Group 2, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, I think strontium and barium. These are group 2 metal, and this group 2 metal nitrate decompose same way. All of them you have to balance same method. So you just remember 2, 2, 4. Not only group 2 metals like lead, copper, zinc, also their nitrate decompose same method. Okay, so 2, 2, 4. 2, 2, 4. This is the correct answer. Clear? So here you remember this type of metal nitrate decompose like this. 2, 2, 4. Metal nitrate means group 2 nitrate. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Also metals like lead, copper, zinc. This type of metal nitrate decompose this way. Okay, next one, question number 11. Next question number 11. Here carbon and chlorine forms a chloride. Carbon reacted with the chlorine form a chloride. We have to write the formula of this chloride. Okay, use your periodic table. Carbon and chlorine. You know carbon it is +4, chlorine it is -1. Use your periodic table. From periodic table you can find this charge. Okay, you know this is the basic structure of periodic table. Okay, here you can see lithium, here beryllium, here boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, here it is neon. Okay, it is group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All group 1, this is lithium. Okay, lithium, beryllium, lithium, sodium, potassium. This is group 1. All group 1 plus 1, all group 2 plus 2, all group 3 plus 3 plus 4 0. Last one, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. This elements, they have no charge. Their charge 0, no charge. Okay, here halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. This is -1. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. This is -2. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic. These elements, they have -3. So mark this charge in your periodic table. Based on this charge, you can find the formula of this compound, carbon plus 4. Look here, carbon plus 4. Chlorine here, chlorine over here, -1. Okay, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, all these elements -1. Not only fluorine, all these elements -1. Okay, now carbon, chlorine, cross multiplication. Here you have to write 4, here -1, so here 1. Okay, 1. So C1Cl4. C1Cl4 means CCl4. 1, no need to write. Okay, so CCl4 is the answer. Clear? So these are the questions we are discussing in this session. So we will discuss more questions in next video. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share to your friends, like the video. Okay, bye bye.